Good afternoon, this is Juliano from Juliano's Garage Auto Sales, and today I have here something a little unusual for me, which is not only the car but it's a consignment sale. Today I have here a 2007 GMC Envoy with only 89,000 miles on the clock. This car here belongs to a good friend of mine, and he asked me to post it for sale for him. So it's gonna be on my website soon, www.julianosgarage.com. I've had one of these before. They're great cars. It's got the inline 6, the 4.26 cylinder. It runs and drives amazing, these cars. This one in particular, it runs and drives really well. I actually know the car, and I know for sure, for a fact, that this car was always garaged in his house. He took out on weekends and sometimes on family trips, just short trips. But anyway, it's a clean Carfax Florida SUV. No rust at all, absolutely zero rust. He put brand new tires on it, very nice tires. I'm gonna go around and nitpick on an SUV for you, so you don't have to do that. But anyway, let's start with the not so great stuff. It's got some like scuff marks here and there, a little. I think he bought it like this. The old lady that owned this car before she backed into the garage, he told me. You got a hitch here. It's got some, some nicks here and there. Body is very straight. Paint is shiny. It's like a beautiful silver color. Very nice color. He put this Nerf bars, or whatever you call it. Very nice shiny paint. No fade, no damage from the sun being in the garage. This color is really nice. I like it. So down here we have some scuff marks here too, and some here too. Nothing major on the outside. No dents, no dings. Nothing that I noticed. Very nice, comfortable car. This is the SLE model. All electric, of course. Power door locks, windows, they all work. Power mirrors, everything works in the car. Automatic lights, fog lights. The brake light here is on because of the e-brake, but there's no lights on the dash. 89,000 and 128. Dash, there's no cracks, just a small little crack here. You can almost not see it. Radio, the radio doesn't turn on. I gotta talk to him about that. But anyway, everybody tends to replace these radios anyway. These are like the same radio of the GMT 800s. They're nice when they're working, but they always go bad. AC ice cold, very nice car. You got your cup holder here, one here. Center console. Headliner is really nice. Seats are very nice and soft. Of course there's some wear here. Of course there's gonna be some wear. Steering wheel, little to no wear on it. I remember saying in a video on one of my trucks, judge your car by the buttons. Yeah, no wear in the buttons or anything like that. It's a very nice car. Back seat is as good as the front seat. Actually a little better. I don't think nobody ever sat in here. He's got teenage kids. I don't think they were driving much in this car. Back seat in here, the carpets are really clean. You got AC in the rear. Let me lift this thing here real quick. Show you the tire, tools and stuff. Very clean car. I'll show you a little bit of the trunk space here. You open the window, you have access to your luggage here, or you can open the whole latch, the whole door. Very nice original carpet here, or matte carpets are really nice. It's not a car that's been abused. I think he's the fourth owner of this car. The third owner was just a guy he bought it from, that bought it from the lady, so it was a flipper pretty much. So they I think the first and second owner is the ones that count, and the fourth owner is my friend. The seat in the back is really good. There's one little mark here, just saw it. Back here, all the tools and I think it's your battery here. It's really good. When he bought this thing here, he told me that he did the front end. So everything is brand new, and a suspension in the front. He put a new fuel pump. The seat is really nice. So he put a new fuel pump on it. I think he did an alternator. Some evap work done to it. I don't have much. He didn't give me much information here, but he put some money in it, you know. He spent some money in this car. He really likes the car. He just bought a new truck, so he wants to sell this one, and he chose me to sell it for him. Bad choice. But anyway, if you're interested in this car here, it's gonna be on my website pretty soon with the Carfax. It's gonna be there, the pricing, and any more information I can gather. Let me show you underneath. There's absolutely no rust. Let me open this hood here real quick, show you the motor. It's a 4.2. Very nice motor, very smooth. It tends to shake a little bit, but that's natural for these motors. It's like inline 6. Very quiet. Very nice and clean. So if you want to know more about this car here, this SUV here rather, yeah, just go on my website, www.julianosgarage.com, and visit my Instagram at Juliano's Garage USA. And like I said, the price is gonna be there, Carfax, more pictures, and my phone number is gonna be listed there. I have the second key for this car too, 2 keys. But yeah, give me a call, let me know what you think about this kind of SUVs. It's a little different than a GMT 100 in some ways, you know. It's a different ride. This is very comfortable too. I like it. I remember when I had mine, the other, I think I had a black one, 2004 SLT. Very nice. A very nice gentleman from North Carolina came and picked it up. But this one can be yours. This one is here in Florida, Ocoee. And just go on www.julianosgarage.com and hit me up. Thank you very much for watching.